One more thing you need to note here is that this date and time picker does not interfere with the format of your dates. So formatting your dates is completely up to you. You can also display the date and time however you want. And our date picker will retrieve and display the actual information. To demonstrate this, let me go ahead and display hours and minutes only on this column. As you can see, despite what is visible and printable, the date picker can display the actual data. So, using this date picker does not take away your liberty of doing things in Excel. I built it with careful consideration on that part.